Subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get latest courses and career opportunities.
Hello everyone, this is Sundaraman Iyer from Allin1hub, and today we are going to look into a small course which we all can do and which we all will probably do in just 1 or 2 days. And this course is about the latest trend of data science and how we can use it to get the basic understanding of it. So we all as probably know what is data science. Let's just hear it from Greatlearning's experts who had made this course. And this is just a 1.5-hour course, as you can see, and it gives you the foundations. Okay, so without much further ado, let's get into it. So as you can see, as we are on the Greatlearning site. Okay, so it is for the beginner level and it is completely free of cost. Okay, the course syllabus covers the introduction to data science lifecycle, and the contents are here as follows. You get a free certificate, as you can see over here, and you can showcase it on your CVs, resumes, and LinkedIn profile as well. Okay, so without going into here, and we will come back to here in just a moment. But first, let's look into the contents of the course. Okay, so as you can see, there are multiple contents in one module. Okay, and this is not like 1 hour, 2 hour module. Okay, it's just 10 minutes, 15 minutes module, and it is for and it is for the easier part that it is having only two modules. As you can see, only two modules and one quiz. Okay, you have to complete the quiz in order to get the certificate. You can also rate this course out of your own choice. Okay, let's just play one video, which would be um, what do you say, life cycle. Okay, let's play life cycle.
To every single.
As you can see, the course is created in a much animated format. Okay, so you can understand not just by theoretical purpose that no presentation or PowerPoint slides are present. They have presented it you in a much friendlier format for any beginner to understand, and it is more useful for everyone who are just starting in this purpose. And there are multiple course contents over here. They also the quiz which we all know, okay, which you have to do in order to get the certificate and close completion. And the best part about it is the discussions, because Greatlearning has a great community where you can just resource and find out more and more about the topics which you want. Okay, this first doesn't exist or is private. For this particular topic, I guess they have not covered it yet, but they have most probably covered it in different topics as well. So in all, what do you know? You have to first complete this quiz. Okay, you have to first complete both the module data science foundation and analytics as a landscape. Okay, so you have to complete this both, and then only you can go to the next thing. Okay, so how will I get this certification? Okay, so in order to get your certification, you have to first complete both the modules, attempt the quiz. Okay, and you will be given the course certificate within 24 hours. Okay, they also provide you where you can see where you see the certificate, and as they have mentioned the profile on your dashboard. Okay, as you can see over here, you can see the certificate. Currently there is no certificate for me as I have not done anything. So okay, so they have also told how can you use those certificate. There are multiple things which you can learn, and here there are multiple courses which you can go through if you want. There are multiple things such as Azure Cloud Essentials and Big Data. Those reviews are coming in the near future, so be subscribed to our channel Allin1hub to get more course reviews. And moving along, so in all, what do I say about this course? Personally, I would definitely give this course based on its content and its animation and the structure of the course as 8 out of 10, and the content would be, well, it depends on every individual, isn't it? So that's it, folks. We'll just wrap it up here. Okay, this is Allin1hub, and I'm Sundaraman Iyer. See you around.